accidental magic can be waiting for you behind the clouds that blanket you in gray. Accidental magic could be waiting for you behind the smile that takes the pain away. Just keep it up, be everything you can be, never give it up. You gotta see the greater good, try to see the greater good. Accidental magic is not waiting for you. Open up your heart, let it go away. Just keep it up, be everything we can be, and never give it up. We know where we're going. A little attitude is growing. Breathing deep will take your breath away. Just